Meet Fred. When he eats a burger, his blood glucose levels begin to rise. To maintain homeostasis, beta cells in the pancreas secrete insulin to lower blood glucose levels. Insulin mainly targets adipose or fat cells, muscles, and the liver. Insulin is a relatively small protein and consists of two chains held together by disulfide bonds. The synthesis of insulin begins with the transcription and translation of pre-proinsulin mRNA, one of the building blocks of insulin. The removal of a signal peptide creates proinsulin, and more trimming of the connecting or C peptide creates the mature insulin. Once the blood glucose levels rise, the insulin released binds to tyrosine kinase receptors on the cell's plasma membranes. A signal transduction pathway is carried out, and vesicles containing GLUT4, a glucose transporter, merge with the cell membrane. And voila! Glucose from the blood begins to enter the target cell, lowering blood glucose levels. School's ended. It's been hours since Fred has eaten. His blood glucose levels are low and the body needs to raise them. Without enough glucose, Fred's body can't function to its full extent, in particular the brain. So, alpha cells in the pancreas begin to secrete glucagon, targeting the liver, where glucose is stored as glycogen. Glucagon is a small protein that is linear in structure. Pre-proglucagon mRNA is processed by transcription factors to then be translated to produce pre-proglucagon. This is then proteolytically processed into the mature glucagon. Glucagon signaling begins when glucagon binds to a G protein-coupled receptor. As ATP is made into CAMP, CAMP is used to amplify responses to various proteins. This causes glycogen to be broken down into glucose. Blood glucose levels increase, and Fred once again feels ready to take on another day. Note the risks. High blood glucose concentrations can lead to diabetes, in which the blood cannot make or use insulin. Diabetes affects nearly 29.1 million people in the US alone. It can lead to high blood pressure, which causes heart attacks and strokes. By taking medications, these risks can be mitigated. Thanks for watching.